Thinking about buying a home but not sure how far out you need to start planning? I'm Corbin Scott, your Boise area real estate expert, and today I'm breaking down the ideal timeline for buying a home so you know exactly what to expect from start to finish. About 6 months before you want to be in your new home, start by checking in on your finances. That means reviewing your credit score, paying down debts if you can, and starting a conversation with a trusted lender. This is also the time to get clear on your budget and your wish list. How much house can you afford and what features really matter to you, that sort of thing. 3 to 4 months out, you'll want to get your pre-approval in hand. This not only gives you a realistic budget, but it also makes you a stronger buyer when it's time to make an offer. A good pre-approval will break down your payment options, closing costs, and give you a clear game plan for what's next. 2 to 3 months out, it's time for the fun part, touring homes. I'll set you up with a customized search based on your must-haves, and we'll start scheduling showings. On average, most buyers find their home within a few weeks, but don't worry if it takes a little longer. The right one is worth waiting for. Once you find the one and write an offer, the typical escrow period is about 30 to 45 days. This includes your home inspection, appraisal, final loan approval, and all the paperwork. I'll guide you through every step to make sure there are no surprises. So let's recap. Start prepping about 6 months out. Get it pre-approved around 4 months to 3 months out. Start touring at 3 months out and plan about 1 to 2 months for escrow. This gives you a smooth, low-stress path to home ownership. If you're starting to think about buying, even if you're just in the early stages, reach out. I can help you build a custom timeline that fits your life and your goals. I'm Corbin Scott, and I'm here to help you buy smarter, not harder.